What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Screamin Vortex Extreme Air Cleaner. This air cleaner allows free breathing and unobstructed airflow to your Milwaukee 8 engine. Your engine gets more air and you can feel more power throughout the RPM range. It has been designed specifically for models with fairing lowers where legroom is essential. It is shaped to maximize airflow and power gain while allowing for knee range of motion while using the rear brake and floorboard. It showcases all 4 push rods of the Milwaukee 8 powertrain. The standard rain sock keeps water, dust and debris from contacting your air filter, which gives you extra peace of mind when riding in the elements. The full kit includes backing plate, air filter element, cover, rain sock and all necessary mounting hardware. The Screamin Vortex Extreme Air Cleaner is available in both black and chrome, so there's one for any motorcycle style. It is also 49 state US EPA compliant. Check the website to make sure this product fits your motorcycle. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.